Welcome to the best trip you'll ever go on.
If you guys have been wondering if you should come to the Philippines, let this be your answer. We are about to go on our 3-day, 2-night tour. We are so excited. We have heard it's absolutely incredible. So we're gonna be setting sail, we're gonna be eating, we're gonna be beaching, we're gonna be cliff jumping. It is gonna be a fun video, so we hope you guys enjoy.
We're getting chauffeured out to our boat. This is the taxi to the big boat.
I'm so excited! This is the boat that we're gonna be touring on for 3 days.
Yeah. This is the ferry to Coron.
Yeah. Bumper boat.
Woohoo!
Our boat's stronger.
Good morning.
Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Of course. Of course. Doesn't even make it look hard. I didn't think that I would need to put my bikini on yet, but I was wrong.
These are my one pair of shorts for the whole time. Now they're soaked.
So this is our boat that we're on for 3 days. And let's check it out. This looks kind of like an open seating.
Maybe the dining room?
Maybe the little dining room.
Hey, look at, here's all our recycling.
Make sure to recycle, even when you're on a boat.
Barbecue station?
Food pantry, the most important part.
Woo! Looks like we got some bananas, a lot of fruit, delicious stuff on the way. Hello. And that's the tour.
Yes.
And then Shelby hasn't seen it yet, but there's a roof.
That's where I'll do my sun tanning.
Has a little cover. You can go over here for Shelby's sunbaking.
Looks like we have some eggs, we got toast, so sweet already. The guys are awesome. We got some fresh fruit, some jams, we got tea and coffee. We are off to a good start.
Okay, everyone, good morning. Morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Here's the first stop on our tour. This is Helicopter Island. I think Shelbs and I are gonna jump in the water here and go snorkeling. We're already getting the turtle alert. People are in, they see a turtle, so I gotta gear up, get my mask on and jump in.
Shelby's just getting a mask change. Hers was leaking.
Oh my god, my eyes are like full of salt water.
Also, it's plankton season.
Yeah.
If you guys don't know what that means, there's little planktons in the water and they sting you.
It doesn't hurt that bad, but it's like, ooh, ooh.
They recommend bringing a rash guard, which is like protects you from the sun, protects you from jellyfish, and the darn plankton.
And we're like, we don't need it. And I'm like, shit, I should have brought a rash guard. Our first snorkeling stop, and we got to see like 3 turtles. We got to see a bunch of fish. The sun is shining. It was really amazing, and I feel like we are off to such a great start.
Come on, sweetie, give me a ride.
Your ride has arrived. 50 pesos, gas.
I feel like I gotta put you guys away. This could go bad. All right. All right, let's roll. Come on, Jeeps.
Do you guys see the water here? I'm not kidding when I tell you that is exactly what it looks like. We are at Cadlao Lagoon, is it Lagoon?
Yep.
And it is stunning. Like the rock formations are incredible. It's like you almost look at them, and when you're paddling your kayak, it's like 3D effects, and there's like trees growing out. Like this place is honestly beautiful.
So we might be doing a little hike on this thing. We just finished kayaking. Our boat's back over there. There's a guy selling coconuts and beer, but left all my money on the boat, so kind of screwed there. I hear from a certain point it's 25 minutes up and down, but if we go up this climb, it's only 7 minutes because it's so steep.
Yes, we're okay.
Holy smokes! How much farther? 3 more hours!
All right, my turn. Can I do it one-handed? I can do it! I can do it! There we go.
Well, keeping the camera stable, my goodness. Very impressive.
So we are just at the top of that little hike right now, and it is absolutely beautiful. The water looking down is like, it's like aqua blue. It's like absolutely incredible. Oh, it was quite the hike to get up here though. It's almost like, is this coral or jagged rock? It's very sharp.
I'm just sitting here. Will my water shoes survive on this?
Yeah, and our guide is doing it in bare feet. And I'm just like, are your feet accustomed to sharp, jagged rocks, sir? Because mine are not.
Well, we made it down safely.
We made it down, no injuries.
But it's holy, your hands get a little acupuncture.
Yeah, because the rocks are so sharp, but just be very careful. And now we get to relax in this beautiful water while we're waiting for the rest of the guys to come down.
All right, our whole team is down. We are about to head back to the boat. This is just outstanding. The weather's holding up and it's just looking glorious. Hit maneuver!
Beep, 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 beep.
Off to our next destination.
So we've just got to Bessendagen Caves.
Yep, they're just over there.
Yeah, and we're gonna go do some swimming and walk through them, and hopefully we don't die. Just kidding.
There's a lot of, because there's a lot of spider.
No! Okay, I'm not going.
This is definitely going into a little cave for sure. Just look at these awesome caves. I bet the GoPro doesn't give it justice, but it's so cool in here.
This is amazing! Oh my gosh!
What is that, a rope swing?
Me! I'm a one-eyed shelbs.
Captain Shelbs.
This is so cool. I'll just ride on you.
Sure.
This is so cool. Oh my god.
Come to the dark side.
Come to the dog. Man, I could live in these caves. These are some sick caves, man. That thing looks like, no, I don't like that thing.
Hey, Beccarita. So lunch is served. We're all just getting out of the caves. We're waiting for everyone else to come out. We got some melon, pineapple, looks like green clams. Not sure what this is, but chicken, rice, vegetables.
Looks so good.
This is a feast. Do you see this plate? Shelbs, hold yours up. I guess you can't.
Honestly,
That,
all the food is like incredible.
yeah.
So good. Fresh seafood, fruit.
Oh, this is looking amazing. We're gonna dive in and maybe have a little resty poo before our next activity.
Our chefs on board are absolutely incredible. I could also get used to having lunch in the middle of the ocean, right next to a beautiful beach on a boat. It doesn't really get much better than this. And now I think we're gonna go to a beach and hang out. Not really too sure. We're just kind of going with the flow, but either way, it's been so much fun for it. And this is only day one.
Doing that for the
Graceful.
camera?
Graceful. I wish I was.
All right, so here we are at Katlao Beach. We're gonna be here for an hour, either swimming around, being on the beach, or, you know,
Frolicking around.
lounging on the boat if you want. But then we have a long trek to base camp, 2 hours at sea.
Ridiculous. 2 hours on a beautiful boat. So what did he say the highest peak in El Nido?
Singing in the rain. Come on, Shel.
Oh my god! This is nuts. This is our relaxing beach time, and we're getting poured on.
Welcome rainy season.
I know. It's beautiful.
All right, we're getting coffee and tea.
Our coffee man over here. Oh! Spring roll banana. Oh yeah.
That's where it's at, eh?
So I'm sure you guys can tell the waters are extremely choppy. I'm feeling a little queasy because the waves were absolutely ginormous, but poor Chase is not doing well. He got seasick and he even took gravel, but that didn't help. Usually it does, but the waves are like pretty intense out here. So we have like another, I think, 45 minutes until we get to base camp, and we're all pretty excited, but it's an adventure. Okay, they're on a little boat, but they're definitely doing that on purpose. That's wild. I cannot imagine the ride that they're going on. This ride's crazy enough.
All right, so they've pulled the anchors out and we're getting prepared to see base camp for the first time. Yay! Pretty exciting.
After that ride, I think we're all excited.
Yeah. I'm back from the back of the boat.
Land ho! We're getting off this boat and we're getting on another little boat. Woohoo! Bye! See you soon!
Good driving!
I like your hairdo. It's cool. Oh, look at them! Oh, hi, George!
Here we are, base camp.
Here we are, base camp. This is our little home for the night. Look at all the dogs! Oh my god! My dreams have come true.
Yeah, they're waiting to say hello to
I get
you.
to spend the night with dogs. Oh, you're so sweet.
And then what about that one over there? She's vicious. Vicious. Hey, MMA. All right, we're told that our unit's the one on the end right there.
This is the definition of camping. We have our little hut here. We have the nice drapery, white drapery, love that. We got our pink mosquito net, little sheet pillows. Basically all you need.
And a beautiful view.
Yes. So I'm not entirely sure, but I think this might be our shower. I'm pretty sure this is our shower. So basic shower, and there's no nudity around here, I suppose. I mean, maybe you could, but is this a shower?
Yeah.
Oh! What is this for?
You use that here. But you can...
Can I shower here? No, just okay, more coffee? I'm good on the coffee. Do you want coffee?
I will in a second.
Maybe 1 minute. Okay, that's not the shower. Like, are you kidding me right now? This is like There's literally little puppies playing around and frolicking around. This is so adorable.
By the way, this is the path to the shower and restroom.
Yeah.
And yeah, we don't really know what we're in for. We've heard back to basic a few times, so we'll see what this is. All right, so got a little shower.
Nice.
And then there's a toilet.
Okay. And when you use these toilets, you basically have to do whatever business you do and then put the water into the toilet, and that's like how it flushes. Hopefully, I don't know if everybody knows that, but that's how it is. And then I guess that's our shower with a bucket. We are with the Buhay Isla Ecotour, which actually means island life, super cute. And even on board, the staff, the guides are super friendly, super nice. When Chase was sick, they were getting him like saltwater water, like making sure he was okay, asking if he needed medication. So far the trip has been unreal. Even the weather has been like a bit kind of iffy, but that hasn't put a hindrance on it at all. It's still been so much fun. Our group is so much fun. I can't wait to see what the next 3 days are gonna look like. It's probably gonna be amazing. So you guys, Chase is gonna show you how a back to basic shower works. We hope you enjoyed that little demonstration. I'm next, but sorry, you're not gonna get a show from me.
Shelbs is in here using all the hot water.
What?
Oh, gee!
This is real life right now. Oh, brushing the knots out from the day. You ladies feel me.
And my long-haired dudes.
I think we made it. We got our stuff hanging off the railing. Don't know if it's gonna dry because it's raining, but this is our little home. This is so outside of my comfort zone. If this is outside of anyone else's comfort zone, like I said before with canyoneering, you should still do it because it's awesome.
Yeah, so pretty much I'm just waiting here for Shelbs. Once she's ready, we're gonna head over there. There's music playing, so probably not much more talking after this. We'll show you the dinner we're having and maybe just a few clips of the night.
And there's rum and Coke, if you guys like rum and Coke.
Then there's always unlimited rum and Coke, pretty much.
I'm probably gonna be the only one wearing a rain poncho out here, but I'm on mission to stay dry, okay? I can't be getting wet anymore because wet equals cold and uncomfortable. So this seems to be our little hangout station. We've got our coffee here, even though it's nighttime, I won't be drinking that. And then we also got rum and Coke. Okay. And yeah, it just that's a chicken. That's a chicken. God.
I'll stop flashing the light
I
at you.
just looked over and I was like, and that's a chicken. This is great. I have no words.
Happy birthday, dear Philip. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 21 years guys. Happy 1 year old. So I get the cake for all myself.
All right, here we are, all snuggled in. Oh, mosquito bed.
It's actually not bad. Like,
Nope.
I expected this to be like a hot and sticky and worse, but it's actually really nice and cool. And you don't need fan, you don't need AC. You just
No, you got the air
fine.
blowing in. I'm still pretty like defeated from, I guess, gonna straight out say it, vomiting for 2 hours on the boat. But
yeah. So we turned in a little bit early. I mean, it's still 10 a.m., but
10 a.m., 10 p.m. Get your facts straight.
That explains it, basically. But our first day was super, super amazing. The dinner, oh my gosh, was like basically gourmet.
The best sisig I've ever had.
Oh my god, so good. So we are gonna end it here, and we are gonna show you guys day 2 tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
So stay tuned for that. We're gonna get some sleep right now because we're tired.
Yeah.
Good night.
Bye.